Hello friends, Shivansh this side, and today I am going to show that why this is said to be infinity. I have almost 3 proofs. Number 1 by integration. Okay. Number 2 is one more proof, and that too by integration. Like it's actually integral test. Okay. And number 3, I forgot. Oh, what was number 3? Is divergence or convergence. Means like, does it diverge or does it converge? So let's start from below. Just a second, let me change some setup. So here I am with this ghost also working with us for proof. Actually that's tribal, it's a tribal person. So, and here with me is my companion calculator. So let's start. Does it converge or does it diverge? So first of all is calculator test. I don't know what do we call it, like manual test. There is integral test to root test 2. I will do integral test as I told you, and I will do calculator test of divergence, and the last proof would be really best. So let's start with 1. No problem. Plus, what is 1 by 2? 0.5. 1.5 plus 0.33. 1.83 plus 0.25. 2.08 plus 0.2. 2.28 plus 0.1 upon 6. 2.446667. So it's pretty evident that it is not stopping, it would go, it will not leave me. So in this way we conducted our first proof very easily with no chance. So if you aren't convinced with our first proof and you say that it might converge ahead, and before commenting that you are wrong, like many people had commented me before, so please see this proof first, because this is gold. I say this is gold. First of all, you might know that this is equal to zeta at 1. You know it? You must be knowing it. So what is zeta at s into gamma at s is integrate of x raised to the power s minus 1 upon e to the power x minus 1. This is the integral form of zeta function. I have no right to spoil the name of the functions. I'm sorry. So here it is zeta 1. Let's put 1. Zeta at 1 is gamma 1. Gamma 1 0 factorial 0 is integral from 0 to infinite of 1 upon e to the power x minus 1. Okay. So this is actually simple, as I could write it as zeta at 1 is ln of e to the power x minus 1 infinity 0. Yeah. Now what do I mean from this is zeta at 1 is ln of e to the power infinity minus 1 seems to 0 minus ln of 0. So what does it? It actually like infinity, like minus infinity, infinity plus infinity. Two different strange infinities troubling me, hitting, beating me. So this is obviously not going to exist. it is infinite only. So let's touch the feet of this infinity, and I hope you are absolutely satisfied with this proof. But there might be many who won't be knowing the Zeta's integral form. So let me show you third proof also, no problem with me. Integral test. If limit exists, convergent. If limit does not exist, divergent. This is our integral test. Calculus champs, you must be knowing it. And here I have 1 upon x. It is actually ln of x. Ln of x. Infinite 1. Ln infinite comes up here with ln 0. No scope of further calculation. And in whole 3 ways, I've shown you that this is infinity. No solution for this. But yeah, I have proved in previous video only, or I think I am going to upload this video ahead, is equal to ln of 2. So what can you say is that if you add it, zeta at 1 plus ln of 2 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 1 plus 1 by 7 till infinity. So what can you say about this? I again leave you on this question. So I hope you must have liked this video. Please like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please share this thing to as many people as possible. Thank you. Meet you again.